Dr. Rajesh is a founder of Voice of Earth Foundation. Sir, first of all, we just love the name, Voice of Earth.
Yeah.
We have heard many voices, but Voice of Earth is something that is very interesting indeed. And right now, the situation, pandemic situation, is prevailing. But we would love to hear from you. What was post? I mean, what was prior to COVID-19 scenario of Earth, and how can you compare right now, currently situation that Earth is facing, and what was the scene earlier? Can you just uh,
Yeah.
throw some light on that aspects?
Okay. First of all, thank you, GLS University, GLS Law College, for giving this opportunity to us. Let me show you something.
Yes, sir.
So
While so
actually, if I talk about the voice of the earth, then it's basically, its short form is VOT, what. So the punchline is what our environment, right? So basically, what I feel, the three problems, like before this January 2020, uh, actually from last 300 to 400 years, we forget one term, which is we are very well known as coexistence. So that's why my first slide is showing that coexistence, exist or exit. So I think, as a human being, we forget that nature has made us to give and take both. But nature has continuous the process. It is giving us as well as it is taking us. So the cycle is going on. But from our side, we human gradually becomes one way. Means we are just taking from the earth. We are taking and taking. We are not giving anything. I will explain by some examples. Like earlier, we were feeding cats, dogs, any birds, and everywhere. But now, because of our living system, only few people are doing that. Second, earlier we were taking our brushing with datun. We know very well, right? So we are just throwing it back. So nature is decomposing it automatically. But right now, what we are using sodium lauryl sulfate in everything, like in our toothpaste. Again, if we talk about our shampoos, our soaps, we are using the same chemicals, and we are wasting our water. So day by day, what we are doing, we are just wasting lot many things. So let me show you the another point, and this is all because of this show off. So human is now showing off everything, so it becomes a biggest poison. So I think corona is one of the result of it. So we are showing off by our money power, by our political power, or whatever power. So our show off is making us a money minded, and because of that money minded, we are just doing a lot many things which we forgot to save the earth, right? So basically, if we go before 2020, first let me talk about the air pollution. We all know very well, in Delhi, in Ahmedabad, in the evening, in many countries as well, you can see the same situation due to traffic as well as due to industries. But now, in during these days, we are seeing the cleanliness of air. So we have not worked on it. That's why God automatically sent the corona. I am thinking in that way. If we talk about water pollution, so if we are just telling that industrialists are only doing this, but it is not that. Industrialists are also human, and they are also living in the home. So from the home, from the morning, we are wasting water. We are not thinking how to recycle or reuse it, right? And as well as in the industries, we are just waiting our rivers and our seas and everything. So again, corona has stopped that. We have seen from, I think, 3 to 4 days, in all the news channels, we are seeing all the clean rivers, Narmada and all. So that is again the positive effect of corona. If we talk about plastic pollutions, uh, recently we have heard that in 2nd October we are going to stop the single-use plastic, but still, what happened we don't know. So this is also the again problem. Noise pollution. If we talk in our all religious places, or as well as in our festivals, we are never thinking about birds, animals, aged people. We just enjoy and enjoy. We have never thought about the giving back to the earth. So noise pollution is also the other problem. So the impact, if I'll talk here, to see when the temperature of earth is increased 0 to 8 degrees Celsius, we just get heat waves, ocean warmings, Arctic ice cap melting, then sea levels rising, increased earthquake, extreme weather events, and species extinction started. So this is at 0 to 8 degree increase, right? Now, when it was increased by 1 degree, some species become extinction, right? Then coral reefs destroyed. Okay. Now, I think we are at this stage now. Up to 2 degree, here we can say that water supply affected. We are seeing every summer in the newspapers, lot many places are not having water. Again, it is affected to polar bears, and Greenlands are melting, right? And recently, I think before COVID, we have seen Amazon and Australians forest fire. So means we are at this stage right now, up 3 degree, means Earth's temperature is increased by 3 degree. We have already started the food shortages, right? And because of COVID as well as other problems, there are a lot many refugees. So now see, now this is wake up call, this is warning from the earth, automatically from the God. Okay, like if we are not now going to wake up, then we have to be ready for this situation. So if it will go for 4 degree, then like that is an assumption that 1/3 of Bangladesh will be underwater and the refugees will increase, right? And we can say that lot many gases, gas emission will increase. Then if we increase by 5 degree, if still we will not take care, the definitely Earth is in very much trouble, and it will directly affect to the economics, right? So in short, the point is that before COVID, we were given lot many warnings from the God by lot many disasters, but still we are doing all the things without any worry. So I think that is the main question now, as ma'am said rightly, okay, biodiversity issues are there. So the origin, we know all the problems, but now the time has come, we have to together solve the problems, right? So thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Brajesh.